Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be learning about Python data types. So let's get started. First, we are going to be going over the overview of today's video. So first, we're going to be learning about data types in general. So what are data types? Then we're going to be going over the number data type. So what is a number data type? Then the string data type. Then we're going to be going over the list data type, then the dictionary data type, and finally the Boolean data type. And we've already barely went over data types in my variable Python video, so go check that out if you haven't already. I talk a few slides about data types, but this video is more in depth and you'll get a better understanding of data types. So if you haven't already, go check out the variable video if you just want to learn about variables, because I will be mentioning variables a lot in this video. So first of all, what are data types? So in Python, data types are a very important concept. Variables store all different types of data, and different data types can do different things. There are many data types and many different categories of data types. So basically, data types, so variables store different types of data. It's not always words, it's not always numbers. There are so many different types of values you can put inside your variable, and those values that you put inside, or the different types of values you put inside, are data types. So we're just going to be going over the main ones, or the most important ones, but there are many small ones that I might have not covered in this video, which they're not used as much, and you can do a really quick Google search to see what the different types of data types are that you might not understand yet. So first of all, what is the number data type? So the number data type is the most common data type that we use. So there are three types of number data types. So there are integers, floats, and complex data types in numbers. So here are here are some examples. So integers are just the common integers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You also have negative numbers, so -1, -2. Floats are decimals. So you can see right here, -1, or 0.5, or 1.5, 2.5, 3.6. So it's decimals. And then we have complex, and these are a little bit more complex, dealing with imaginary numbers and stuff. So they're not easy definable numbers. So those are the three types of number data types. Now we have the string data type. So the string data type is also a really common data type when it comes to variables and values inside variables. So the string data types are sequences of character data. Strings in Python are always surrounded by single or double quotation marks. So you can see right here, you can use double or single quotes, and you can see we have print hello and print hello, and these will still print the same thing, which is hello. So you can do it either way you want. I personally always use double quotation marks, but it really doesn't matter. So we can see right here, A equals hello, print A, and this is kind of an example of something we would use with a variable. This is more just the print function, while this is more with the variable example. And you can see right here, they'll still do the same thing. This will just print hello 2 times since we put it 2 times, and this will print it 1 time, but they're still both gonna print hello no matter what. So that is a string data type. Now we have the list data type. So lists are used to store multiple values or items in a single variable. Lists are always created using square brackets and are separated by commas. List items can be ordered, changed, and duplicated. So you can see right here, we have an example of fruits, apple, banana, cherry, and print fruits. So our output will be apple, banana, cherry. See right here, it is surrounded by the single quotation marks. That's just how it works in lists. And you can see right here, list items can be ordered. So you can use special functions to order these up. And they can also you can take a value out or get a value, because basically how it works in list data types is how it's ordered is the first value is 1. Then first value is 0, then it's 1, then it's 2. So even though cherry is your third value, like when you order it up according to like Python, it'll be your the value of it will be 2 because we're starting from 0. I hope that makes sense. Then we have the changed. So you can change the values of these values inside your list. So it doesn't always need to be apple, banana, or cherry. And then it can also be duplicated. So you can maybe print apple 2 times or cherry 2 times. So that is the list data type. Now we have the dictionary data type. So dictionaries store value in key value pairs. So they're very similar to lists, but not quite exactly. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets and have keys and values separated by commas. Dictionary items can be ordered and changed, but no duplicates are allowed. So you can see an example right here. We have car. So this is like describing a car. And instead of like, if you see back in our list, it was just single values like apple, banana, cherry. But here we have like 2 sets of values and they're separated by colon. So brand equals Ford, or like colon Ford. Model is a Mustang, year 1964. So this is kind of what a dictionary would look like. And like you can kind of remember it, like dictionary kind of gives you the definition of words. So here you can see our brand, like the value or like the, I guess, definition would be Ford. So if you think of it like that way, when we print this out, it'll be brand equals Ford. So it's basically exactly what's here. And you notice when we did lists, they could be duplicated, but here they can't be duplicated. They can still be ordered and changed. So if you really wanted, like if the brand or the model was not a Ford or Mustang, you could change it up, or you could change the year. So they can be changed and they can be ordered from like starting from 0 and like going from there. So that is the dictionary data type. Finally, we have our Boolean data type. So Boolean data types can only represent 2 values, true or false. To get an answer to an expression, many people use a Boolean data type. So this is more for checking like expressions or mathematical equations. So when you compare 2 values, the expression is evaluated and you'll get a true or false answer. So I have an example right here. So in the Boolean data type, there's only 2 values you can get, either true or false. You can't like print out anything. It's just like true or false, and it's usually for like checking pieces of code or checking, you know, a statement or like an equation or an expression. So as you can see right here, we have print, the print functions. We have print 1 is greater than 2, and we know that is false, so it's gonna give out false. And then we have print 1 is equal to 1, and we put 2, if you remember, 2 equal to's just mean equal. So like if you only put 1, it's like kind of assigning a value, while this is to like actually check if they're equal. So when you're putting the equal to, you need to put 2. So you can see right here, 1 is equal to 1, which is true, obviously. And then print 1 is less than 2, which is true. So when you compare 2 values, the expression is evaluated and you will get a true or false answer. And here is the output for this. So that is the Boolean data type. So to review, we learned like what are data types in general. Then we learned about the number data type, the string data type, the list data type, the dictionary data type, and the Boolean data type. We learned what those are and some examples when using them. And again, variables are a big part of data types. So if you haven't already, go check out the variable video that I did a few weeks ago, and that will help a lot more with this video as well. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and comment any like future video ideas you have or any video ideas you would like to see. So that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.